Hi, Matt Turner here from Pinup Media, and this is a quick video on the Spotify artist fundraising link feature. So Spotify's latest feature enables artists to add a fundraising link to the top of their page, which allows their fans to donate directly to them via your choice of fundraising app. If you decide to use their partner Cash App, they have set aside a $1 million Artist Relief Fund, as they've called it. It's essentially a big pot of $1 million, and it is an incentive to try and get more people to sign up to their app. But what they're doing is essentially paying out $100 into the first 10,000 artists' accounts who successfully receive funds via the Spotify link using the Cash App, if that makes sense. I'm going to get further into it. Whether you decide to go for the promotional offer or not, this is a great feature and it's well worth doing because the music industry has been absolutely decimated by COVID-19. There's no gigs going on anywhere and artists are really struggling out there. So I think it's a great feature for Spotify to implement. And if you already have a GoFundMe or a Cash App account, it's a great way to make it easier for your fans to donate to you direct should they wish to. So I think if you are in need of the money, you should 100% make use of this feature. It's a really, really useful thing. So if you already have a Spotify for Artists account, you should have already received the email. To get started, just tap the button at the bottom of the email that says submit your link. This then takes you to the COVID-19 support form. You can choose between Cash App, GoFundMe, PayPal and a music relief organisation. You can then add your fundraising link. Make sure it's correct, as you only get one chance to do this. You'll then be prompted to confirm that it's indeed the correct link, and you can then agree and submit. And that's all you have to do. It took us, I think it took about 12 hours for the link to appear on the top of our Spotify profile. Could take longer, could be shorter for you guys. I don't know. Let me know how you get on if you try this. So as mentioned before, if you decide to use the Cash App, they are offering a promotion where the first 10,000 artists who receive donations via the Spotify link will receive $100 or the UK equivalent of that. This may be old news already, but if you have a go, then this next bit is for you. So the Cash App rules, I've got these directly from their terms and conditions. I had a bit of a flick through, got very bored, but I've pretty much got the key points here. So the promotion is only available to residents of the United States, District of Columbia or the United Kingdom. Good news for us. You have to be at least 18 years of age at the time of entry to the promotion, and the promotion runs until the 31st of December 2020. Reward recipients will be selected during the promotion period. How to enter? You will need a Spotify artist account and page, and also a Cash App account. To get a Cash App account, you simply download the app and follow the simple steps to create your account. In order to be eligible for the promotion, artists must A, link their Cash App account to their Spotify account to allow payments to be made via Spotify, and B, have received at least $1 or the UK equivalent in payment to your Cash App account via the Spotify integration. Bear in mind that if the description of the payment contains derogatory or inappropriate words or language, the sponsor reserves the right to remove, reject or disqualify the entry. So no bad language. Also bear in mind, and this is a quote directly that I thought you should all know, each entrant gives consent for the sponsor and its agents to obtain and deliver his or her name, address and other information to third parties for the purpose of administering this promotion and complying with applicable laws, regulations and rules. Such third parties may use your information for their own independent purposes in accordance with their own independent privacy practices. Make of that as you will. It sounds scary, but that's what we just ignore every time we download an app anyway. It's no secret that third parties have access to our data and do whatever the hell they want with it, to be honest. But it's worth knowing and it's worth taking into account before you go ahead and do this. So just so you know, I've put a link to the entire privacy policy down in the description below this video. So make sure you have a look at that before you delve into it. It's your life, man. You can do what you want, but don't blame me if anything goes wrong. So recipient selection. Chronologically, the first 10,000 entries will be reward recipients, subject to the disqualification terms. Those selected will be notified by a payment directly into their account from Cash App. This could take up to a month, it does say. So that's it. I hope this was helpful and I hope that you'll be able to take something away from this and learn, because that's the reason why I'm doing this for. I'm trying to help everyone out. as well as myself, to be honest. Big learning curve for me. So we're going to be doing plenty of stuff like this, so if you could leave a like on the video and also subscribe to the channel to receive updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much. Thanks very much. So formal. How do you sign up? I'm not used to this YouTube stuff. I'm just going to do what the cool ones do.